Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to a foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making spicy goat meat. But before we get into the video, thank you all so much for 1,000 subscribers. YouTube sent us this beautiful video and says we should share bananas, so pick up your banana and let's share. Okay, now starting with our video, we washed our goat meat nicely. We cut it into tiny bits and then we put it in our pot. We then added Toffseed garlic and ginger paste. You know how Toffseed makes our cooking faster and easier, right? So if you want any of their products, check the description below for their details. We then added some diced onions, salt, and 1 stock cube. We mixed everything together and also added Toffseed all-purpose seasoning. We then added some water, mixed everything together and boiled it until it was soft and tender. After boiling our goat meat, this is how it looked. In a separate saucepan, we added about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We used sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil or any oil that works for you. We then added some sliced onions. In this recipe, I figured the more onions I use, the tastier it gets, so you'll be seeing a lot of onions in here. We then added some sliced green bell pepper. Just look at how gorgeous that looks. Now this is where all the heat is. Our red scotch bonnet pepper. You will just throw it in your food processor or your blender without water. Just blend it until it's finely chopped, and then you add it to your sauce or whatever it's called. And then we also added Toffseed garlic powder. Now garlic and onion in this recipe, it's on a different level, okay? So with the pepper, it's to your taste and preference, because there's some sort of heat in that red scotch bonnet pepper, okay? We then added half a stock cube, and then we'll keep mixing till everything is well incorporated. Then we add our star of the show, which is our goat meat. Now after adding our goat meat, we mix it until the goat meat is well coated with our sauce. Once the goat meat is well coated with your sauce, you then go ahead and add a little bit of water. You can either use the goat stock, that is the perfect one, but we used our goat stock for jollof, so we just rinsed our blender with some water and added it to our goat meat. And then you keep stirring till everything is well incorporated. I told you that with this recipe, I realized the more onions I use, the tastier the goat meat, so more onions. Now mix everything together, and once the goat meat is soft and tender, all you have to do is to make sure it's mixed with your sauce and it's ready to serve. Just look at how yummy this looks. It's so delicious and spicy. You compare it with any food of your choice, but for us, we paired ours with some fried potatoes. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you get to try this recipe at home, and if you do leave us a comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Join this beautiful family. We share amazing recipes that you would sorely enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in our next video. Bye guys.